Hello students, we are given a question that a wagon is rolling forward on level ground. Okay, the person sitting in the wagon is holding a rock. The total mass of wagon, rider and rock is nothing but equal to 97.5 kgs. The mass of the rock is given as 0.331 kg. Initially the wagon is rolling forward at a speed of 0.470 meter per second. Okay, then the person throws the rock with a speed of 16.4 meter per second. Now, both speeds are relative to the ground. We are asking for the speed of the wagon after the rock is thrown. Rock is thrown. In first part is directly forward in one case and directly backward in another. Okay. So basically, we will start with first part directly forward in one case. We just need to apply the momentum conservation law. Okay. So it is m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equals to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. So here we can just directly say that m times of m